The DURARANGE Chipping Net Set is an excellent choice for golfers looking to improve their skills on the go, thanks to its foldable design and convenient storage bag. This set offers everything you need for a complete training session, including 2 hitting mats, 6 practice balls, 6 foam balls, and 2 rubber tees, making it highly convenient and cost-effective. The included hitting mat is designed to protect your lawn while providing a realistic chipping experience with the range balls, and the foam balls are perfect for safe indoor practice. Built with engineering-grade 400D canvas fabric, the net is designed to withstand intense practice sessions while maintaining its vibrant colors and quality craftsmanship. The innovative triple target training system helps players of all skill levels work on their trajectory and distance, with side pockets that catch missed shots to keep the balls contained. This chipping net set makes for a thoughtful gift for any golf enthusiast, offering a personal touch to their practice sessions whether at home or during outdoor gatherings.